Cutting and cutout. Generally speaking, every machining process needs preheating and drilling before the actual cutting. And the preheating and drilling may affect the cutting quality due to the undesired cut marks caused by the preheating or drilling. But you can just provide us with the ability to set the cutting and cutout to well avoid the problem. Cutting and cutout settings can be set before, during, or after the cutting path is generated. To begin with, we will set the cutting and cutout lines before generating the cutting path. For example, draw a rectangle. Go to Nesting and choose Cutting or Out. In the Design Central, we can set the types of the cutting and cutout. It can be arc or straight lines. Parameters such as the length of the overlap, radius of the arc, length of the cutting and cutout lines, angle between lines can all be set accurately. Change the position of the cutting and cutout lines to be outside or inside of the cutting path. Here we choose straight lines. Set the overlap at 3 and set the length at 5, 30 degrees for the angle, and outside for the position. Left-click the mouse on the edge of the object to set the cutting and cutout lines. We see that when the distance of the overlap is set at positive value, the overlap area will be cut twice, and that will still affect the cutting quality. So it is better to set the overlap at negative value with the length close to the tool diameter to achieve undercut while preventing uncut area. Now take a look at setting the cutting and cutout while generating the outer path. Select the object, go to Path, and choose Outer Path. Here, we see the cutting and cutout parameters, types of the cutting and cutout, uncut length, arc radius, line length, line angle. Click OK. And we see the cutting and cutout lines. Additionally, the cutting and cutout lines can also be set or changed after the cutting path is generated. Select the path and go to Path, choose Path Lead. In the Design Central, we can set or change the parameters or change the types of the cutting and cutout. Meanwhile, the position of the cutting and cutout lines can be easily changed by left-click the mouse to move. Click OK to finish. And that's the end of the cutting and cutout tutorial. Thank you.